Guys, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel, The Consistent Coder. So the problem that we are going to solve today is subsequence. So let's see what's the problem saying. Given two strings s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. So we were given two strings and then we have to see if we can find the string s, by forming some sort of subsequence from t. So if we consider a and then b and then c, that is exactly what is s, right? So we can form the subsequence of t equal to s here, so which is why we'll return true. And then let's see the example 2. Here we want axe, and then we could clearly see that x is not even there in t, so that means we cannot find a subsequence of t which is going to be equal to s, no matter what kind of combination we take. So we'll return false. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, this is the example that we have seen before. So let's solve this problem using two pointer method. So the way this works is, so initially I have two pointers, which is the pointer I and the pointer j, which is pointing at the starting indices for the s string and the t string, right? So these are the s and t strings. Now what I'll do is I'll compare whatever the character that is at ith index for the s string and jth index for the t string, and I'll check if they are matching. I'll just move my pointers. So now my pointer will be here for the ith thing, and then j pointer will also move forward, so for the t string. And then again I'll compare, is b equal to h? They are not actually equal. So what do I do in this case? Remember, we want every single character in s to be in part of t, right? And they have to be in the order, right? We want every single one of these characters to be matching with the sum of the characters in t. So that means even if they're matching, if they're not matching right now, like in this case, what do? I'll wait. Maybe there's a character afterwards that might actually match this character b, right? So what will I do? I'll simply move my j pointer, because I cannot move my I pointer. I need that particular character to be matched with some character in t string. So I'll just move my j pointer. So now again I'll check b and b. Now they are equal. So what will I do? I'll move my j pointer, and then also I'll move my I pointer as well, because there was a match. And now I'll compare again the same thing, c and g. They are not equal, so I'll just move my j pointer itself. And now I'll compare the c and d. They are not equal, so again I'll move my j pointer. Now again I'll compare c and c. So yeah, they are actually equal. So in this case I'm moving the I pointer to the next, but there is nothing else, so we return true, right? J pointer also moves forward, but there is nothing else to do here. So let's code it up. Let's see how can we do this. So we have two pointers initially, I and j, right? And then we need to have a while loop. So the condition is that if my I is less than s dot length, I'll keep checking, right? Otherwise, if I had reached the last index, the outside of my s string, that means I have completed every single character in my s, and I also know that that is a part of the t string, which is why I know it's a substring subsequence, and so we'll return true in that case. And also we have to make sure that j is also less than t dot length. This is because even if there are a lot of other characters after this, like maybe m and then n, and then I have some character like x in s at the end. See, no matter how forward I move for j, I won't be finding x, right? So that means if I just don't have any check for j, it will keep on increasing, but there is no valid check. So which is why we have to make sure that we are not crossing the available length to us in the t string as well. So that is why we need that check as well. And then what are we doing? We are checking if the character at the ith index for s string is it equal to jth index t string. If that is the case, I'll increase my I pointer and also my j pointer. If that is not the case, I'll just increase my j pointer. We can actually do something like this. So this way we don't have like if and else, simple thing. And then what will I do? I'll just check is my I at the end of the string. So is my I greater than s dot length minus 1? If that is the case, that means I have covered every string, every character in s, and I know every character in s is part of t, which is why I know the s is now a subsequence of t. So let's see if this is working. Alright, as you can see, this is working fine. Hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be uploading videos regularly related to Blind 75. So if you want to receive updates, please consider subscribing, and have a great day.